Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're doing a mechanical evaluation on this Stokes rotary vacuum dryer. It's about a 13 cubic foot. As you can see right now, we've pressurized the internal shell to about 10 pounds. We've got a good seal on the manway gasket, which is an O-ring type seal. We do have some leakage here, a little bit of pressure inside. This was the vacuum inlet. And you see right around that collar where the Allen head bolts are, that's a seal system in there, and it appears to be, we haven't opened it up yet, but it appears to be a series of oil type seals, and we can see some dry rot on the edge of one of the seals. We've got a little bit of leakage here on the valve, which will require a new gasket in there. You can see on the butterfly valve. The drivetrain, good condition. We're pressurizing the shell through the rotary valve, you see right here, and we do have some leakage inside the rotary valve. Right now it's holding 10, we had it pressurized to 15, but it's slowly going down. And you see those ports up there, those are not threaded, so they're not a closure port, but there's a little bit of leakage coming through there. Go ahead, Steve. Drivetrain runs well. We're operating on 223 phase voltage right now. The brake is working. Steve, just stop it right there. Brake engages. Go ahead. But as per this evaluation, the shell is good, as well as the jacket, both pressurized well. There are those small leaks which are maintenance items will have to be addressed. We have lots of dryers and process equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.